Hey, it's Remy here at UMI Performance, stopping by to tell you about some 1978 and 1996 GM B-body rear suspension products. Here we have a 3624 upper trailing arm, features our UMI built Roto-Joint, and it's also 5/8 of an inch longer than stock, which we'll talk about here in a minute. Part number 3600 polyurethane bushings. The rubber bushings can get beat up after 20 years on the car, so we have a nice polyurethane solution, tightens the car up a little bit. And then the 3621s are also plus 5/8 of an inch longer to help center that wheel in the wheelhouse. Some nice reinforced sway bar holes, strong rectangular construction, greasable polyurethane bushings. Overall, just a great improvement for your GM B-body. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.